All right, guess who's back? So second job, I'm filling up some water for my solution for this job. I haven't been able to walk in there and do the walkthrough yet, waiting on the customer. So I'm not, she said it wasn't that dirty, it's more of maintenance clean. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix up some carpet details right now. This stuff. So it's 3 bedrooms and a living room and a hallway, I believe. So I'll mix about 3 gallons up and that should do it. So 2 ounces per gallon, you know. And if I walk in there and it happens to be really, really filthy, like black, then I'll boost it with my magic booster. All right, that just kind of melts away nastiness. So yeah, like I said, I'm waiting for the customer to show up. Actually, the customer's daughter to show up. I'm gonna put my little sign out here, you know, out front, where neighbors can see it. You know, take some notes. Call me later. You know. All right, all mixed up. Like I said, I'll boost it if I need to. All right, so how many people would panic in this situation? New guys, right? Not talking about the OGs, right? People have been in it a while. But how many people would panic, right? You come in here, you're new at the business, you see this, you're like, oh my God, I need to come up with a cocktail with 5 different chemistries and, you know, and then all this color, you know, because there's color in here. See, it's like bluish tint. That obviously some organic something. So all I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna panic. I already know what's gonna come out, what's not gonna come out, and I'll let the customer know before I start the job. I'll give her a call, and we'll go ahead and boost it, and you know, and it's gonna clean out. And I'm gonna go through here with what I think is organic and spray it with my peroxide product, and then we'll pre-spray everything and just rinse like normal. Actually, I'm gonna have to agitate this one, so a little agitation and extract like normal. So you guys probably want to know my magic sauce, don't you? Don't you? So I'm just gonna boost it with Dissolve All. It dissolves all, literally. All right, so anything brown will be definitely a organic usually. Water, coffee, spills. So I did let the customer know that some of this, I see colors, probably not going to come out. She thinks it will, because she says it's not color, it's soap. And that right there concerns me, because it means there's going to be a lot of residue. What you know, if you have a truck mount, can really eliminate your vacuum. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen. So I'm just going through here, what I think is organic. This is what I always do at every house. All right, we're gonna do some scrubbing. Machine all fired up, hoses ran. Oh, I gotta get a corner guard. Got my spider bag right here with everything that artificial stuff like ink and this and that rest. In case I run into something like that, it's close by and I don't have to run back and forth to the van. Little spotter bottle right here. Some stains that maybe just a little tough. I can go ahead and treat it, scrub it, and extract. If it doesn't come out, I know it's a stain. So wish there was more light in here. All right, there is a red and blue spot here that I'm having to steam out. Looks like that's it. A little better, huh? So yeah, I had to take out some red stains, some specialty stains, so I did go ahead and invoice her again for those. And yeah, that's it. So that was a tough one, guys. Let me tell you something. Every now and then you're gonna run into one that's, you just have to go slow with the wand, right? And go over it like multiple times. So that job probably took me a little longer than it should have, right? Just the way the cookie crumbled, because the job before this was, well, I got 375, 379, and it took me an hour. So this one took me 2 hours, which was definitely about a half hour longer than it should have. But like I said, now if you're the carpet cleaner, or you get into the business and you're thinking, you know what, you're going to get so much business, all you got to do is charge low prices. Well, every one of your jobs are going to be like that. Majority of them are. Okay, so if you're going to go for the price shopper type of carpet cleaning model, those carpets are going to look like that, because the people that keep their carpets like that are always looking for a deal and they want miracles. So yeah, smart pricing is very valuable. All right, I'm gonna wrap this stuff up. My lunch is waiting for me. I need to get home. All right, see you in the next one.